Hey guys, it's John from Woods and Barclay. Welcome back to the series on the 1983 Tuxedo Wagon. Today we are up here at Dry Ice Detailing Pros, where I've had Bobby cleaning the undercarriage and wheel wells. So let's go in here and take a look and see what it came out like. Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Okay, I actually see Bobby's in his cleaning suit right now, so he's probably working on this Toyota over here. We might get to film him in action. And here's the wagon. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Let me see if I can ask Bobby to give us a little demo. Okay, they actually finished up on this, so I can't record the process, guys, but basically you have a this cooler right here is full of dry ice pellets, and maybe Bobby will show us what they look like.
Yeah.
And here's Bobby. He owns the company. Wow. And these little pellets you can load into here we go. Yeah, check that out. So they're dry ice pellets, and you can load these into this is a very expensive. It's made by, I think, Cold Jet PCS 60. And here's your gun, and here's the hopper where you dump your pellets in. But what this does, guys, for example, they just cleaned this vehicle, and when the dry ice hits the undercarriage of the car, it cleans off any dirt or debris. But being dry ice, it immediately evaporates and doesn't leave any residue on the car. You know, back in the old days, we would do sandblasting, and that is just a horribly messy process. You have to disassemble the vehicle. But like, for example, this vehicle, all this dirt and stuff came off underneath it. But anyway, you guys want to see the wagon. Okay, guys, let's walk under here and take a look. Oh, wow. Bobby, this cleaned up incredible. Look at all the zinc plating. There's the original factory marking where they torqued down this plate here. Wow, look at the leveling valve. Look how clean that came out. That is remarkable. The exhaust is beautiful. Look at these control arms back here. Now, of course, I've already done all the work on this car. This cleaning was the last process. You can see the factory paint markings are still on the suspension. Wow, this looks beautiful. Now, guys, this is a white car. So there we go. There's the body color paint under the vehicle. And you can see all of the zinc plating is still on. The brake lines. Bobby, this came out amazing. Yeah, look at all that plating that's still on here. And now here's the factory seam sealer and undercoat that Mercedes would put on. See, here's body colored paint here, and you can see here's the undercoating applied at the Mercedes factory. Let's go up here and wow. Now keep in mind, like I said earlier, I've already rebuilt all the suspension. All these are brand new parts, everything you're seeing up here. And this is just the final stage in the process. Wow, check that out. Those are the oil cooler lines. All the zinc plating is still on there. Look, it's even on the bolts on the oil filter housing. This, guys, this is a remarkable wagon. Yeah, this looks absolutely beautiful. Let me get another shot. Bobby, this came out amazing, man.
That's really good.
Yeah, look at that. Let's walk back here a little bit more. Look how clean the exhaust is. This barely has even any surface rust on it. Guys, usually exhausts are pretty crusty because, you know, it's cold rolled steel. But this is like, gosh, it's immaculate. This is clearly a vehicle out of California and New Mexico originally. Yeah, check this out. There's even zinc plating on the little bolts and hardware up here. Look at the fuel and brake lines. Let's see, I think these are the SLS lines over here. Still has the green paint from the factory on them. Yeah, here's your fuel and brake lines over here. I mean, I really couldn't ask for anything nicer. Here's the seam sealer that Mercedes would put on here. Yeah, that looks incredible. Let's go out here and take a look at the wheel wells. I'll just go back here one more time for you guys. That leveling valve, that's amazing. I mean, look how good that cleaned up. All right, let's go look under the wheel wells over here. Now, guys, if you remember, when I was doing all the suspension installation videos, remember there was a bunch of dirt in the wheel wells because it had never been cleaned. And wait until you see this. He's gonna lower it down on the lift for us. Now, keep in mind, you know, you're looking at all new suspension, shocks, all that stuff is brand new. Let's go a little lower, Bobby. All right, there we go. Check that out. That is all the original body color paint, guys. It doesn't get any nicer than that. Now, of course, all these parts are brand new up here, but check that out. That is beautiful. Let's go take a look back here at the rear. Wow, what a difference, man. Yeah, that looks great. Let's look over here on the other side. Yeah, there's not as much light over here, guys, but I think you get the idea. That is the original factory paint in there. Let me show you up here. Wow, I'm amazed that there's the original factory undercoating Mercedes would put in here and then paint over it. I'm just amazed at how good this came out. This looks absolutely incredible. So very happy with the results. This is one of the cleanest, nicest wagons in the United States, if not the world. There are not many wagons left like this, guys. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, get it back to the shop, and we're gonna do the final walk around video on this wagon. So lots of videos in this series, and please watch all the videos on woodsandbarclay.com, and hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Take care.